Thank you. The former governor of Rivers State, now the Minister of FCT. Before me here is the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, a proud member of the All Progressive Congress, and other members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. My party is grateful. We are enriched, and we are in firm control of the Rivers State House of Assembly. Let me use this opportunity to thank my brother and my friend, His Excellency Wike, for the monumental support he gave to our presidential candidate in the 2023 election. Honorable Minister, we thank you for your support and we value your support. And I want to say, here as a member of the National Working Committee of our great party, we do not take your support for granted. We will continue to work with you. We will continue to partner with you. And our president, the performing president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, will continue to hold you and work with you. For us in the All Progressive Congress, our coming to this place this afternoon is not about a political party. Yesterday, my brother paid me a very, very important visit in my village, and I remain grateful to you for that visit. But just to let you know that as a political party, we are aware that our main business in politics is to unite Rivers State. Continue to unite Rivers State. This kind of unity, the unity we have today in Rivers State, is not easy to be accomplished. We owe you that support, we owe you that friendship, and we are praying. We have consulted a lot of prayer warriors so that you will change your mind and leave the PDP. And come and join our party. That prayer, I know it will work. Amen. If you are in support of that prayer, say aye. Aye. God bless you.